Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to How to Guide YouTube channel, and in today's YouTube video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can add multiple pictures and Instagram on your Android phone. So yeah, it's pretty simple, but most people think they can add multiple photos on Instagram. So do not doubt yourself, because you can, because there's a feature in Instagram which you guys can use to add multiple photos. So this is an example of a single photo. There's only one photo over here. So an example of multiple photos looks just like this. Let me show you guys. I'm scrolling down a bit. So this is what multiple photo looks like. You can swipe a bit right and another photo. So that's basically how you guys can, add multiple photos, and when you guys do add it, it's gonna look just like this. So let me teach you guys how you guys can do that. Now before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And let's jump right into the video, shall we? Now before moving forward, what you want to do is you want to open Instagram and you want to click on this plus button. After clicking on this plus button, it's going to take you to the place where you guys can choose your photo to upload it on your Instagram. Now the first one is you can only add a single photo. As you guys can see, you can only choose one photo at a time. Now to add multiple photos, you want to click on select multiple. Now once you click on select multiple, it's going to give you the option of these number. Now you can choose the photo which you want to upload. So this is 3 photo I've chosen. This is 4, 5, 6. Let's say I want to add this 6th photo on my Instagram. So I can click on this arrow button after this and wait for some time after clicking on this arrow button. And after clicking on this arrow button, it's going to give you this option to, add filters to every single photo, whichever photo you want. But I don't want to add any filter to any of my photo because I think like the normal version looks good. I mean, let's look at the normal version, but it looks so good, doesn't it? Alright, enough of the jokes, guys. After doing this, you want to click on this arrow button at the top. After clicking on the arrow button, the Instagram is going to process the photos. Alright, it's gonna process the photo, not anything else. So wait for some time until it processes it. Damn, it's taking a long time rather than I thought. Finally, the processing is done. After the processing is done, you can add a caption if you want, but I'm too bored to add any caption over here, so I'm not gonna add any caption. I'm just gonna click on this tick button over here. I'm just gonna click on it, wait for some time until it uploads, and ooh, it already uploaded. That was really fast, and it's gonna look just like this. So that's basically how you guys can add multiple pictures on Instagram and Android. So hope you guys find our video helpful. If you did, then do hit that like and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys in a bit. Bye bye until then.